Every office has the same story: deadlines, reports, and the endless struggle with Excel.
Arjun, these numbers don't add up again. Sir, Excel feels so complicated, I don't know what to do.
If only we really knew how to use Excel properly. Still struggling with Excel, Arjun?
Yeah, it's like a mystery box. Charts, formulas, I can't crack it.
I need Excel for my career, but where do I start?
Is there someone who can actually teach it step by step?
Who will guide us?
At iTech Analytic Solutions, we teach Excel 365 with GenAI from basics to advanced. Reports, dashboards, analytics, everything. I joined iTech Analytic Solutions, and now I've mastered Excel. Today, I handle reports confidently and independently.
Joining iTech Analytic Solutions was the best decision. I can now use Excel with GenAI to solve problems faster and smarter.
At iTech Analytic Solutions, I learned Excel step by step. Now I lead my team with confidence and deliver accurate reports every time.
Learning Excel at iTech Analytic Solutions changed my career. I create dashboards, analyze data, and my team trusts my skills completely.
They took the first step. They mastered Excel and changed their future. At iTech Analytic Solutions, success begins with learning. Don't miss it. Join iTech Analytic Solutions this weekend. Contact us now for the complete syllabus.